Hello, lovely people. You welcome back once again to Accra in Focus. My name is Kuduresi. Thank you very much for checking me out on this channel. Please, if you are new here, do me a very big favor: subscribe, like the video, comment, and share. So we are back on the streets of Accra once again. Please forgive me for the poor quality video because this I use mobile phone for the shooting. Alright, so we are back again at the Accra Central Business District, and we are coming to explore this beautiful place. We are coming to show you guys how beautiful the country Ghana is becoming. Yes, and Accra specifically. Yes, the city is becoming modern and well developed. So this is one of the most developed places here in Accra, Ghana. Yes, so please, I've been receiving comments like Ghana's village, Ghana is not beautiful, we are overhyping Accra and things. But I've never seen a Western media, I mean, publishing or posting anything bad about their cities. That their capital cities. Yes, and we too, we have taken upon ourselves to promote Accra, Ghana to the world, no matter how nasty it looks. We will develop one day, and we are on the rise. Yes, Ghana is on the rise. Ghana is developing. Yes. So guys, please kindly watch the video to the end. Give me thumbs up by liking, comment under the video, like and share. Peace out.
Thank you.